Hello guys, I am from Gaubras Math. I am going to explain question number 8 that has been taken from exercise 7.1 integrals of NCERT 12 mathematics. Question number 8 is integrate integral in bracket ax square plus bx plus c bracket root dot dx. This is the question about which I am going to discuss here. Now here I shall write solution. Implied that let I equal to integral ax square plus bx plus c dot dx. Implied that I equal to integral. Now ax square is the first term, plus bx is the second term, plus c is the third term. On separating of all the three terms, we shall get ax square dot dx plus integral bx dot dx plus integral c dot dx. Again I shall write implied that I equal to here integral ax square dot dx. Here a is a constant multiplied to x square. So here a will be popped out. A dot integral x square dot dx plus here b is a constant multiplied to x. Therefore b will be popped out. So here write b dot integral x dot dx plus here c is a constant multiplied to dx. C will be popped out. Dot integral 1 dot dx I shall write. Again implied that I equal to a will be written in square brackets. Integral x square dot dx comes out to be x raised to the power 2 plus 1 whole over 2 plus 1 plus I shall write here b integral x dot dx I shall write x raised to the power 1 plus 1 whole over 1 plus 1 plus c. Here integral 1 can be written as x raised to the power 0 dot dx. Again I shall write implied that I equal to a dot x raised to the power 2 plus 1 comes out to be x raised to the power 3 whole over 3 plus b I shall write x raised to the power 1 plus 1 comes out to be x square over 2 plus c x raised to the power 0 integral x raised to the power 0 dot dx comes out to be x raised to the power 0 plus 1 whole over 0 plus 1 I shall write. Implied that I equal to a will multiply to x cube comes out to be a x cube whole over 3 plus b x square whole over 2 plus c here x raised to the power 0 plus 1 comes out to be x plus k small k. Here small k is a constant. So we have got final answer implied that I equal to ax cube whole over 3 plus bx square whole over 2 plus cx plus k, where small k is a constant. Final answer we have got I equal to ax cube whole over 3 plus bx square whole over 2 plus cx plus k, where k is a constant. Now this will be correct answer. I equal to ax cube whole over 3 plus bx square whole over 2 plus cx plus k, where k is a constant. That will be the correct answer. Now I shall take question number 9 equal to integrate integral in bracket 2x square plus e raised to the power x bracket close dot dx. Now here I shall write solution. Implied that let I equal to integral 2x square plus e raised to the power x dot dx. Here 2x square is the first term, e raised to the power x is the second term. On separating both terms, we shall get implied that I equal to, here 2 is multiplied to x square. The 2 will be popped out. So here I do dot integral x square dot dx plus integral e raised to the power x dot dx. Again I shall write implied that I equal to 2 dot integral x square dot dx comes out to be x cube over 3 plus integral e raised power x dot dx comes out to be e raised to the power x plus c, where c is a constant. The final answer you have got implied that I equal to 2x cube whole over 3 plus e raised to the power x plus c, where c is a constant. This will be the correct answer we have got. Here this will be the correct answer we have got. Now this is the complete solution of question number 8 and question number 9. These both questions have been taken from exercise 7.1 integral of NCERT 12 mathematics. Okay guys, thanks.